Yo, what is up, my Learn How to Draw Hub crew? I'm your host, Nathan Johns, and today we're going to be learning how to draw an airplane. I'm excited. I hope you guys are as well. Now, one more thing. If you guys haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and do that right now. Awesome. Well, let's go get down to it. Let's go see what we can come up with.
Okay, so for the first step of making our airplane, we're going to begin by making two triangles. The first triangle is going to be bigger than the second, and the first one will be almost in the middle of the page. The second one will be a little bit off to the right. Fantastic! Now we're going to begin to make the outline for the shape of our airplane. Here's a fun fact. The first time I've ever been on a plane was when I qualified for my cross-country national championship and we went to New Mexico. Now we are going to begin to make two U-like shapes. The first U-like shape will be to the right hand corner and the second will be a little bit over to the left. Fantastic! Now we're going to make the window of our airplane right below the U-like shape that we just made. And once we're done doing that, we're going to move a little bit lower and we're going to add a cool stripe for detail. Now earlier on in the video, we made a window in the front of our airplane. Right now we're going to make three small more windows. Now the last step will be to add 4 jets for our airplane, so then that'll make it fly. Thanks for drawing with us. Now let's color in our airplane.